Mastering the art of smooth transitions in public speaking. Hello learners, welcome back. Today, we're going to dive into a vital aspect of preparing for public speaking and presentations: transitions between sections. These are the bridges that connect the ideas in your speech or presentation, guiding your audience smoothly from one point to the next. Transitions in a speech or presentation are incredibly essential. Why? Because they allow your audience to follow your train of thought without getting lost. Imagine transitions as signposts on a road trip. They guide your listeners, making it easier to understand your message. They help keep your audience engaged and aid in the overall flow of your speech or presentation. In short, without effective transitions, even the most well-structured presentations can seem disjointed or confusing. There are several types of transitions you can use to enhance your speech or presentation. 1. Sequential transitions. These are used to indicate a sequence or to put your points in order. Examples include firstly, secondly, finally. 2. Comparative transitions. Used when you're comparing or contrasting two or more points. Examples include however, on the other hand, similarly. 3. Cause and effect transitions. These transitions indicate cause and effect relationships. Examples include therefore, as a result, because of this. 4. Summarizing transitions. These are used when you're summarizing or concluding a point. Examples include in summary, to sum up, in conclusion. Remember, transitions should be natural and relevant to the content. Don't just throw them in for the sake of it. Make sure they aid in conveying your message. When using transitions, there are a few things to keep in mind. 1. Maintain flow. Ensure your transitions maintain the flow of your speech. This helps to keep your audience's attention and makes your speech easier to follow. 2. Variety. Just like with words in your speech, variety is important with transitions too. Using the same transitions repeatedly can become monotonous, so mix it up. 3. Practice. The best way to master transitions is to practice using them. Start by incorporating them into your everyday conversations and then gradually into your presentations. And that brings us to the end of our journey through the world of transitions. Remember, mastering transitions is not about memorizing phrases but about understanding how to guide your audience from one idea to the next. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be creating seamless presentations with ease. Good luck, and happy speaking!